Hey everyone, welcome to Welva's channel. Today I'll show how to move data from an old drive to a new one using the command line in Windows 10. This also works on Windows 11, by the way. Click Start and open the command prompt. Let's open it as an administrator just to be safe. Now type this command into the search bar. In my case, I'll be moving data from drive E to drive C. Where it says J, I'll use E as the source and C as the destination. This command transfers all data, so be prepared for a complete transfer. After hitting enter, the file transfer will begin. This has been Welva. Like and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you all a great life. Good luck to everyone. See you all later.